already come, since there are experiments happening where AI is being used to perform surgeries. So in that case, if there is a lapse, who is going to be responsible
Exactly.
for
Now
it?
you see the serious issue what she has brought about, that if surgery is going on and on the table if something happened because of the lapse actually of the machine, we never know if machine will not behave, because if human being is there, he can immediately identify the changes which are happening. The doctor can immediately take action at that particular point, and it's like a microsecond decision of that doctor is important in that particular issue. Now if with that surgery, if robotic surgery is going on, and if it is a remote surgery, right, it is happening that it is there are kind of examples probably you have seen, that a doctor is sitting in somewhere in USA, probably he may be doing surgery somewhere in Africa, that may be the possibility, and that is like the experiments already going on in that way. And if something happened there, who will be responsible?